And here find the value of 3 raised to minus 1 plus 4 raised to minus 1 plus 5 raised to minus 1 whole raised to 0. We know that any number raised to 0 is 1. So the value of this number is 1. Next is minus 2 by 3 whole raised to minus 2, the whole raised to 2. We know that law a raised to m whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. So we can write this as minus 2 by 3 whole raised to minus 2 into 2. That is minus 2 by 3 whole raised to minus 4. Now we get minus 2 by 3 raised to minus 4. So to change its exponent as positive, we take its reciprocal. So we can write this as 3 by minus 2 whole raised to 4. Next question is evaluate 8 raised to minus 1 into 5 raised to 3 by 2 raised to minus 1. We know that 8 is, write 8 in the exponential form. The value of 8 is 2 into 2 into 2 is 2 raised to 3. So we can write this as 2 raised to 3 whole raised to minus 1 into 5 raised to 3 divided by 2 raised to minus 1. Now 2 raised to 3 whole raised to minus 1, that is a raised to m whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. So 2 raised to 3 minus 1 is 2 raised to 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 into 5 raised to 3 divided by 2 raised to minus 4. Now to make its exponent as positive, we take its reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 2 raised to minus 3 is 1 by 2 raised to 3. Then reciprocal of 1 by 2 raised to minus 4 is 2 raised to 4. So we can write this as 2 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 3 by 2 raised to 3. This 2 raised to minus 3 comes to denominator, it becomes positive, and 2 raised to minus 4 comes to numerator, it becomes positive exponent. So 2 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 3 by 2 raised to 3. Now combining 2 raised to 4 and 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4 by 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 3. And this is a raised to m by a raised to n. What is a raised to m by a raised to n? A raised to m minus 1. So 2 raised to 4 minus 3 is 1. Now 2 into 5 raised to 3. So value is 2 into 5 raised to, what is 5 raised to 3? 5 raised to 3 is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now what is its value? Here 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, and 250 is the value. Next question is 5 raised to minus 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 whole into 6 raised to minus 1. Then first is of the form a raised to m into a b raised to m. So a into b whole raised to m. So we can write this as 5 into 2 whole raised to minus 1 into 6 raised to minus 1. 5 2s are 10 raised to minus 1 into 6 raised to minus 1. Now this is of the form a raised to minus n. We know that a raised to minus n is 1 by a raised to n. So we can write this as 1 by 10 into 1 by 6. That is 1 by 10 6 are 60. Now this question, find the value of form such that 5 raised to m by 5 raised to minus 3 equal to 5 raised to 5. We know that this is of the form a raised to m by a raised to n, which is a raised to m minus n. So 5 raised to m by 5 raised to minus 3 is 5 raised to m minus 3. That is equal to 5 raised to 5. So we can write 5 raised to minus of minus is plus, m plus 3 equal to 5 raised to 5. Now here two exponents are equal. So here their bases are equal. So their exponents are also equal. So we can write this as m plus 3 equal to 5. That is m is equal to 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2. So the value of m is 2. Now listen this question. Simplify 25 into t raised to minus 4 by 5 raised to minus 3 into 10 into t raised to minus 5. Now we can express 25 as 5 into 5. 25 is 5 into 5, that is 5 square. So we can express this as 5 square into t raised to minus 4 by 5 raised to minus 3 into, we can write to 10 as 2 into 5. So 2 into 5 into t raised to minus 8. Now we know that the negative exponent in the numerator comes in the denominator, it becomes positive, and the negative exponent in the denominator comes to numerator, it becomes positive. Now we can express this as 5 square into, now this negative exponent of 5 raised to minus 3 comes to numerator, it becomes 5 raised to 3, and t raised to minus 8 becomes t raised to 8. Now divided by, now here t raised, here 2 into 5 into this t raised to minus 4 comes to denominator, it becomes positive. Now we get 5 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 3 into t raised to 8 by 2 into 5 into t raised to 4. Now here 5 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 3, which is a lowest of exponents in the form a raised to m into a raised to n, that is a raised to m plus n. So we can write this as 5 raised to 2 plus 3 by here 2 into 5 into, now combining power of t raised to 8 by t raised to 4. Here 2 raised to 5 raised to 2 plus 3 is 5 raised to 5 by 2 into 5, and here t raised to 8 by t raised to 4. Now we are combining this as t raised to 1 by 2 into 5 raised to 5 by 5 into t raised to 8 by t raised to 4. Here, which is of the form, the second law, a raised to m by a raised to n. That is a raised to m minus n. So we can write this as 1 by 2 into, here a raised to m by a raised to n, a raised to m minus n. 5 raised to 5 by 5 raised to 1. That is 5 raised to 5 minus 1. Into here t raised to 8 minus 4. Now we get 1 by 2 into 5 raised to 4 into t raised to 4. Here 5 raised to 4 into t raised to 4 can be expressed as 5t whole raised to 4 divided by 2. That will be the answer.